Hello my dear friends, welcome back. Let's continue with class 9 mathematics, chapter 2, exercise 2.5, question number 8. So I believe all of you are doing well, studying well and staying safe also. So let's continue with our online studies. So last time we stopped at question number 7 with the identities of cubes, a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. And we are going to continue from there like we always do. So that identity is almost done. So with this few questions, it will be a revision also again for those identities. So question number 8 is about what? Again, factorize. So if you remember, like every identity, this is again like vice versa, isn't it? So question number 7, 6 and all, what did we do? We were given questions which we had to expand using a plus b whole cube identities and a minus b whole cube. Now, time to go reverse, like we always do with most of the questions. Now, so this was the identity for a plus b whole cube. Now, the question given to you is this one. So let's try to convert this, just like that complete square identities and all we have done, I think, in question number 2, 3, 4s and all. So we're just going to compare, bring that in our respective model and then get the identity and factorize, of course. So here if you look at the question, cube, search for cubes. We have here 8a cube and b cube. So 8a cube, we have to write it as a whole cube, like we always have been doing with the other questions also. So 8a cube, I guess we can write it as 2a whole cube, because 2 cube is 8a cube plus b cube. Again, as I always do, time to compare. So 3a square b plus 3ab squared. That's always one of the easiest and most convenient ways to write down. Then fill it up with a and b, our respective a's and b's. So it's 2ab, it's always going to be same, 2ab. Of course, I think previous video we wrote this as x and y, but as I say, the lectures actually don't. That's alright. The model only should remain the same. Now you see, let's compare. It's very simple, provided of course you know the formula, no? You know the formulas, you know the identities. 2 square is how much? 4. So 3 4s are 12. 12a square b. Do we have it? Yes, that's also plus. Similarly here, 3 2s are 6ab square. 6ab square, that is also here. So that means this particular formula is properly in this format. So we can write this as a plus b whole cube. Simple as that. Of course, we have to factorize it. So we'll have to write it as 2a plus b, 2a plus b, 2a plus b. Okay. Alright, let's move on to the next question. You can pause the video and note down also. So next question we will be needing this identity, that is a minus b whole cube. So what was it? A cube minus b cube, or of course if you want to arrange it, right, that is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. And our question is 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. It's alright. Chalo. So again, 2a whole cube minus b, that's already b, whole cube, minus, it should be 3a square b plus 3ab square. Because our formula was, isn't it, this one, isn't it? A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. You can write in your own preferred ways. So let's try to fill it up again. 2ab, this is ab, 2ab. Let's check. 2 square, 2 2s are 4, 3 4s are 12, minus 12a square b, 6ab square. So this also can be simply written as 2a minus b whole cube. That can be further extended as 2a minus b, 2a minus b, 2a minus b. Why? Because we are told to factorize, so we are supposed to write down all the factors. That's why. Okay. So let me rub off the formula now then, the identity. Let's try without looking into it. Alright, you can pause there. Okay. Number 3. 27 minus 125a cubed. 27 is 3 cubed, so immediately we get this idea, okay? Minus 135a plus 225a squared. So these are the cubes, 27 and... So see, that's why when you have these cubes and all, search for those two terms which will have cubes, not cubes. Your first priority should be that. So 27, we know it's 3 cubed. Of course, you have to know the cubes and squares of at least up to 10. Okay, at least up to 10. That will be really helpful for you. Because otherwise, you will have a tough time trying to find out the cubes and all. So maybe immediately after this video session, we can just try to find out the cubes of and squares of at least up to 10. That will be, trust me, it's really going to be very helpful for you. 125 is 5a whole cube minus, it should be 3a squared b plus 3ab squared. So accordingly, it is 3, this is a, this is b. So first term is 3, second, no? A minus b. Now let's check now the checking part. Because it has to fit exactly again. We just cannot write randomly also, okay? We have to check whether the equation is in balance or not. So it's like 3 into 3 3s are 9 into 5, not this one. So 9 3s are 27 into 5. 5 3s are 5 7s are 35, 3 left, 135. So it's 1 minus 135a, that's here. Fine, balanced, perfect. That means we're not doing anything of our own. It's already, I mean, this is nothing but 135a written in the expanded form or in the modified form of the identity, something like that. This is 3 into 3 into 25. So 3 3s are 9 into 25. So that's of course going to be 225. So that's also 225a squared, isn't it? So that means we can write this as 3a minus, because it's a, it's b, so a minus b whole cube. This, of course, in terms of factorized form, we'll write it as this. Chalo, let's continue. Try again. Cube 64. 64. What cube is 64? As we know, 4a cube minus 27. Of course, 3. Remember, whole. The whole term is under cube. Okay. So it should be minus 3a squared b. Always write it like this first. 3ab squared. So that will be like less confusing for you. And after that, we will check now. So let's check. 3 3s are 9. I'm going to do it directly. 4 squared 16. So 9 6 are 54. 5 left 144 minus 144 a squared b. See? 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. 108 ab squared. So this is also perfectly balanced. So this can be written as 4a minus 3b whole cube. So that can be further written as done. Seven. 260. 216 minus 9 by 2p square plus 1 by 4p. Do not worry by looking, don't let the letters scare you. Search for the cube again. So 27, 3p whole cube minus, that's why I was telling you the cubes of numbers of at least up to 10 should be properly known by you. So 216 is actually the cube of 6. So because 6, 6 are 36, 36, 6 are 216. So time to just fill it up. 3a square b plus 3ab squared. Once they're telling you to factorize most of the terms, of course, you just have to identify the identity only and then just arrange, it will be always there. 3p 1 by 6. 3p 1 by 6. Time to check. 3 into 9 because I'm just leaving out p square because p square is already here, so there's nothing to check, just a numerical value. 1 by 6, 3 to the 6, so it's 9 by 2 p square, correct? Here 3 into 3 into 1 by 6 square 36, so 3, 12, 4, 1 by 4 p, perfect. So this can be written as a minus b whole cube. That's it. Okay. Alright, the next question, number 9, you can actually note it down as an identity also, okay, because this is a this is also this is an extension of the algebraic identity that we have used just now. Of course, here we are told to get the proof, verify that this identity is true. That is x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So your job is to verify that. No problem, we'll verify that, but you can note this down and the other one also as an identity, okay, because you will be using that, I think, immediately from the next question onwards. Alright, so but let's see how we prove it. We'll have to prove it, but I'm going to do the first one. Second one will be done in almost in the same way, just it's the negative one, so you can try it for yourself. Okay, alright, we know, how do we get this proof? We know that x plus y whole cube, what was the formula? X cube plus y cube plus 3xy x plus y. I'll be using this formula. Of course, we have, so far we have been using x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Definitely. But as I say, I think, yeah, in the previous video, you can use any one of these two identities for x plus y whole cube, depending on the question. So here, this will be more helpful. This will also come into effect, definitely. You try, you will definitely get the proof, but this will be much more easier to approach that particular proof. So that's why I'll be using this, okay? But you can use any one. This will be much more convenient. So I already told you in the last video, both the identities are same. It's actually same only, so you will use according to the question. So now what I'll do here is, see, look at the proof, x plus y, x cube plus y cube. So I'm going to leave x cube plus y cube here. Alright, then I'm just going to like mirror image. I'm just going to change the sides for my own convenience. I'm going to reverse the sides, but nothing much there, so that it will be more appropriate to prove. So now here from this term, I will take x plus y common. So if I take x plus y common, what is left here? X plus y whole square minus 3xy. Okay. So I'll continue. X plus y. Now x plus y whole square, I'll expand. A plus b whole square. Not 2xy plus a. I'll just write like this. Y square plus 2xy minus 3xy. Okay? So that's going to be x plus y. See, x square plus y square, 2xy minus 3xy. So minus, because 2 minus 3 is 1, 3 is bigger, minus 1. So we have the formula x cube plus y cube is x plus y into, if you want to write it arranged as per the given question, yeah, no problem. Alright, so this is actually derived from the cubic identity itself only. Okay, so it's not like something new or all. But yeah, this is going to be very helpful for us. Similarly, the second one is x cube minus y cube. The formula would be x minus y, x square plus xy plus y square. So there is a trick to remember actually. I used to remember it like that when I was a kid. Because all these terms, formulas, we tend to forget. So x cube for plus, what I'll do is I'll just remember that okay, for plus everything is positive, just that of course it will start with positive. Only this term has to be excuse me, only this term has to be negative. Whereas for minus, except the first term, second term, everything positive. So like find out your own way, don't just simply memorize it. Find out your own ways to remember and recall the formulas. Give your brain a reason to remember the terms that you're studying and the formulas. Okay, the identities. So once again, for x cube plus y cube, it will be of course x plus y, only this middle term will be negative. And for x cube minus y cube, x minus y will be negative, of course. Rest, all the terms will be positive. So this was a reason I used to find out, I used to give my brain this reason so that it doesn't easily forget. Memorization though, it's not that simple, no? Question number 10, factorize number 1. So yeah, exactly, we are going to use that particular formula just now only we have done. So what was it? X cube plus, okay, so I have to write it in terms of cube. So this can be written as 3 cube 5z cube. So what was the formula? X plus, okay, I'll just write like this, yeah, something like x plus y, x square plus, no, minus x into y plus y square. So what are the terms? 3y 5z, 3y 5z, 5z, isn't it? X plus y into x square minus x into y plus y square. This was the identity. So let's solve this now. 9y square minus 3 5 are 15y z plus 25 z square. Don't forget to put z square, okay, because the whole is square. So don't use partialities, as we always say. No? He's partial, he's partial. Don't use partiality. Whole square means entire terms of within that bracket deserves the whole square. Deserves to be given square. 64m cube minus 343n cube. How much? 64m cube minus 343n cube. Chalo. Let's find out the cube. 64. Yes, that's what we have been doing today. I think 2-3 problems already done. 64 cube is 4m whole cube minus 343. 343. How much is 3? What cube is 343? That's why they're very important, at least up to 10. I'll give you for this one 7, because 7 cube is, those who do not trust me, you can check for yourself, you can prove, definitely 7 n cube. So now the formula, again, x minus y, right? After that, remaining, what did I tell you? Everything positive, x squared plus x into y plus y squared. So it's 4m minus 7n. Of course, don't write this dash, I'm just showing it to for your own convenience only, for your convenience. So 16m square, 28mn, 49 n square. Alright, so that's it folks for today. So another identity done today. So next session we will be doing one more identity again. I think that will be the last one. Last identity, you must also be now counting your identities, how many identities, and also that will be the last one. So I think in just 2 more sessions, 2 more videos, this exercise should be done. After that, very soon, of course, I'll be moving on to statistics also. Alright, so fine then. If you had liked this video, please give me a like, please do subscribe also, and please do share with all those students, underprivileged students also, who may not have any source to study. Alright then, see you in the next video. Take care, stay safe, bye bye.